How to get infinite Discord orbs and use them to get free Nitro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Discord on browser. After that, on the left hand side panel, select the option of quests. And over here, when we scroll down, you would be able to find different quests that you can do and get the orbs. Over here, select the option of filter, then click on this option of watch, then select the option of orbs, and then just scroll down. Over here, you would be able to find all the quests that require watching, and by watching video, you can earn the orbs quite easily. And there's a trick as well over here. Simply click on this option of watch. I have already gotten the rewards for it, but when the video starts, just simply pause it, and on the top of your browser you would find this option, and over here you can fast forward the video and just stop it at the very end and play it. This way you don't have to watch the full video and you would still get the rewards within just few seconds. So this is a trick that no one will tell you. So this is how you would be able to complete all the quests over here that require watching the video. And over here, simply check the play option, then deselect the watch one, and then you would be able to find these quests over here, and you can simply accept these quests and play the game. You would have to play the game for 15 minutes in order to get 700 Discord orbs, and you would get it quite easily by playing the game. And as you can see over here that there are no more quests over here, just 2, and you have to complete them on time in order to get the orbs, otherwise they will disappear as well. So after the quests disappear and you are not left with many other quests, simply use VPN and change the location. This way you might be able to find more quests and complete them and get the orbs. So these are the ways that you can use in order to get the orbs for free. And after that, you can go to the shop section over here and then scroll down and get the Nitro or any other thing that you want to use for your orbs. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.